Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Basic English Grammar course. In today's video, I'm going to talk all about the noun. And after watching this video, all your doubts will be clear enough to understand the essence of noun. In our earlier videos, we have already discussed about the sentence and parts of speech, and we know that noun is a very important part of English language. For your convenience, we have attached the links of sentence definition and all about parts of speech in the description box, or you can check out our playlist of basic English grammar. I'm Kamrun and I'm going to teach you all about noun. If you're a beginner, this video is a must watch for you. Let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, before talking about the definitions of noun, let's first discuss why noun is why noun is so important. Why we need to know all about noun. Because nouns are the basic elements of sentences. And as per the definition of noun, a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing, even an idea. So, who would know what you were talking about if you weren't able to use words that means people, places, things, or ideas? So, noun is one of the most important parts of English grammar. And if you really want to know English grammar well, you will need to know about noun. Let's first talk about proper noun and common noun. Here we can see an example. Akbar was a great king. As per our definition of noun, both the words Akbar and king are noun. But the question is, which noun belongs to which group? To understand this, at first we will need to know the definitions of proper noun and common noun. A proper noun is the name of some particular person or place, and a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing at the same class or kind. Let's get back to our previous example. Here, the noun Akbar refers to a particular king. Therefore, Akbar is a proper noun. On the contrary, the noun king might be applied to any other king as to Akbar. Hence, we will call king a common noun. So, the basic difference between proper noun and common noun is their sense of individualism or commonality. As we can see, proper noun says I'm a special name for a person, place, or thing. For example, Akbar, Sydney, or even coronavirus. And common noun refers to the common name for a person, place, or thing. For example, male, people, female, children, country, nation, and so on. Let's see some more examples of proper noun and common noun. Here, man is a common noun, but if we talk about Victor, Charles, they belong to proper noun with the capital letter in the beginning. Lady, a common noun, but Cameroon, Shelley, they are proper noun. YouTube channel, that's a common noun. But if we spatially talk about Orimko Academy, that's a proper noun because that's the name of a spatial and specific YouTube channel. You can name about any country that belongs to common noun, but if we say any particular country, Malaysia, that's a proper noun. Island, common noun, but Fifi Island, that's a proper noun. Ocean, common noun. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, They're proper nouns. Any actor, like Bollywood actors, Hollywood actors, all of the actors belong to common noun. But if we spatially name someone particular, like Tom Hanks and our most favorite, Tom Cruise, they're proper nouns. Now, a collective noun. A collective noun is a name of a group or collection or persons or things taken as a whole. For example, a, a gang of thieves, a murder of crows. Please note that a murder of crows means a group of crows. You can be 100% assured that no animal was harmed while making this video. Then again, for things we can say a fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Let's see some another example. A flock of sheep. Here, ship is a common noun because it stands for any and every ship. But flock is a collective noun because it stands for all the sheep. Now, let's talk about material noun. A material noun denotes the matter of substance of which things are made. For example, the electric wires are made up of copper and aluminum. Gold is used to make ornaments. This bottle is made of glass. Here we can see the colored words copper, aluminium, gold, glass. All these refer to material noun since they are denoting the matter of substance of which the things like electric wires, ornaments, or even the bottle have been made of. So far, we have discussed proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. But what is a concrete noun? A concrete noun simply refers to any object that we can feel with our senses. Here is our five senses. So, anything that we can feel with our five senses with the help of which we can taste, hear, smell, see, or even touch is belong to concrete noun. So, for example, people, chair, table, food, pizza, and many more. Now, abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to quality, action, or state belonging to an object. For example, goodness, kindness, brightness, honesty, wisdom, bravery. All these refer to quality belonging to an object. Examples of actions can be laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hatred, etc. And childhood, youth, slavery, sickness, death, poverty, all these denote the state of the object. Please note that there are plenty of examples of abstract nouns from which we have just mentioned a few. So here's the entire diagram of nouns classification. From here, we can see that noun can be classified into two sectors, concrete noun and abstract noun. And concrete noun is divided into four classes, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. But nouns can also be classified as countable noun and uncountable noun based on their numbering criteria or whether we can count that noun or cannot count that noun. Let's see their definitions. Countable noun. A count noun is one that can be counted. For example, book, person, and A non-count noun is one that can, for example, milk, water. But is there any way turn some of the non-countable nouns into countable one? Well, yes, it is possible to count some non-counts if the substance is placed in a countable container. For example, glass of milk. We can say one glass of milk, two glasses of milk, or let's take water, one bottle water or one jar of water. So, as we have seen that non-countable nouns can also be counted if we can put them into a substance that is a countable container. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. This video has been prepared for beginners to give them at a glance to all types of nouns. Our advanced level video on noun types and how they are formed will be released soon. Till then, keep supporting Orimko Academy and don't forget to ask if you have any question in your mind.